Today we have some very simple and delicious paintings. Its eyes and smiling lips show that it is a happy cake. We draw the first part of the cake. A little cream. This is the second part of this birthday cake. Again, a layer of cream and some pieces of fruit for decoration. Well done! Orange color for the cake. And a little pink color for the cream that looks like strawberry flavor. Let's draw a sweet and delicious cupcake together. First, the cupcake base. Now, the chocolate cake and some cream on it. This is from his big eyes and smiling lips. It is wonderful. For cupcakes, a little orange and of course brown to show that our cake is chocolate. Decoration. Now it's time for delicious donuts. A circle that looks like someone has beaten him. Delicious this donut is. Orange for the donut and pink for the delicious cream on the donut. These colorful decorations. These eyes and lips, it looks like a sweet and delicious candy. We paint this delicious candy with rainbow colors. Have fun with these sweet treats. please subscribe. See you in the next video, my friends.